You know, the weather was really in our favor today. Beautiful weather today ahead of the storminess tomorrow. Tomorrow's weather looking downright wet for most of the area. Half an inch to an inch of rainfall. We're just talking about the extreme drought. Keep in mind the extreme portion of the drought covering about 27% of the state. So we could use this rainfall. It's just inconvenient timing, of course, with it hitting us on Thanksgiving Day and sticking around for most of the day, too. It's not just rain. We're looking at about coating to an inch of snowfall moving from Fitchburg out toward Orange. 1 to 3 inches extending right through the Berkshires. In fact, into the northern Berkshires, into Vermont, into some of those higher elevations, the Green Mountains, White Mountains. We could see 6 to even 12 inches of snowfall on some of the tallest peaks. Heads up for those of you that like to snowboard or ski, you know, getting into the weekend. I know it's a big ski weekend, and we are looking at some pretty nice fresh powder on the highest mountaintops. We are in the 30s for most of the suburbs now, 44 in Boston at this moment. You can see Portsmouth holding on to that 40-degree mark. We have clouds just starting to move in from the west, but the showers are just starting to paint the sky of Pennsylvania, and that's going to continue to shift east. So for us, first drops, I would say as early as 3 o'clock in the morning. It's an early arrival with this storm, and so we'll have to watch for those spots that drop below freezing moving northwest to Boston. There is that chance for a few slick spots tomorrow morning before the storm starts to really intensify. Low to mid 30s in and around Boston, and then a little warmer down toward Cape Cod, and that will be the case tomorrow too. Range in our temperatures here with 50s down toward the Cape and Islands, 40s in and around Boston will feel chilly and raw, and then 30s to the northwest where we're talking about snow that could actually stick. 3 a.m. here it is. We have the first sign of the storm moving in, but really starting to get steady after sunrise. So that's when things really start to turn wet here. Downpours start developing with the peak of the storm right around midday into the mid-afternoon. So you can see here 11 to 4 likely going to be the thick of it. After 4, we start to see things winding down, and we're still seeing some signs of showers, but not quite as heavy. We're colder at this point, 6 p.m. So we start to see that snow pushing a little bit farther eastward on Route 2. Watch if you're in spots like Gardner where it's wet all day. All of a sudden you see a flip to snow for the tail end of the storm. We're drying out by 8, 9 o'clock here, and it's completely dry heading into our Friday morning. But on the flip side, it is going to be much colder. You'll want to watch for some slick spots. Any remaining moisture in our roadways could freeze over on Friday morning, and that cold air is here to stay. It only gets colder, in fact. So here's the slick travel outlook for Friday morning, moving west of 495 through much of Worcester County and heading out into the Berkshires, where we're also talking about, of course, that snow that's sticking to the ground. Here's your 7th day. Lots of sun in the forecast, so it is a dry outlook, but boy, it's a cold one. Kicking off December in the 30s on Sunday, and those 30s are here to stay through next week.